Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an email from your Gmail. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for the Gmail app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, so you don't face any issues while following these steps. Once the update is complete, open the Gmail app and sign into your account if needed. Now, for example, if you want to delete an email, simply tap and hold on the email you want to remove. You will see a few options appear at the top of the screen, including a trash bin icon. Just tap on the trash bin to delete the email. Once you do this, the email will be moved to the trash folder and will no longer appear in your main inbox. To permanently delete the email, tap on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then scroll down and select Trash. Here you will see all the emails you have deleted. You can either tap on Empty Trash to remove all emails at once, or tap and hold on a specific email and delete it permanently from your Gmail. So that's it for this video. I hope this guide helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.